Sana Hotels has made quite a name for itself, but before you decide to make an investment, there are 7 things you need to know. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll understand what sets Sana Hotels apart and how it compares to others in the market. First off, one of the most important things you need to know is the pricing structure. Unlike competitors that often hide costs behind complex pricing tiers, Sana Hotels has a transparent, straightforward system. You get exactly what you pay for, no hidden fees, and no surprises at checkout. This transparency can save you a lot of headaches down the road, especially when compared to some of the more complicated booking systems in the industry. Next, let's talk about customer support. This is where Sana Hotels really shines compared to many of its competitors. Their support team is available 24/7, and from my experience, they're always quick to respond and genuinely helpful. You don't have to deal with long wait times or automated responses, a huge plus for anyone who's had to deal with frustrating customer service from other hotel chains. The third thing to note is their wide variety of booking options. While some hotel services might only give you 1 or 2 choices for accommodations, Sana Hotels gives you an extensive list of options, from luxury suites to budget-friendly rooms, all backed by consistent quality. They cater to both the high-end and the more affordable end of the market, something that sets them apart from competitors who may only focus on one segment. Now, let's move on to something that a lot of people overlook when booking hotels: loyalty programs. Sana Hotels offers an excellent reward system that can really benefit frequent travelers. Unlike other hotels that require a mountain of stays before you start seeing perks, Sana's program is much more accessible. You earn points faster, and they can be used for things like room upgrades or even free nights. Next thing, location. Sana Hotels has some prime locations, and not just in tourist-heavy areas. While many competitors focus mainly on central, often crowded locations, Sana Hotels has properties that offer access to both prime locations and more serene, off-the-beaten-path settings. This is a huge benefit if you want to avoid the usual hustle and bustle of traditional tourist destinations. The fifth thing you need to consider is the overall guest experience. From my own experience and feedback from others, the consistency of the service at Sana Hotels is remarkable. Whether you're staying at a 3-star or 5-star property, the level of service doesn't fluctuate as it sometimes does with other hotel chains. You can count on a seamless stay, which means a lot when you're spending your hard-earned money. The sixth thing to know is that Sana Hotels offers unique local experiences. Many competitors will simply provide the basics: a bed, a shower, and that's about it. But Sana Hotels goes the extra mile by offering guests cultural and local experiences, such as city tours or local cuisine classes. This is a standout feature that makes your stay far more memorable and immersive compared to just another regular hotel experience. And finally, the seventh thing you need to know is the flexibility they offer with cancellations and changes. In the travel industry, plans can change unexpectedly, and not all hotels are accommodating when it comes to modifying bookings. But with Sana Hotels, changes to your reservation are hassle-free, unlike the strict policies that many other brands enforce. If you're considering trying out Sana Hotels, I've got you covered. Click the first link in the description below to get the best free trial and access some exclusive benefits. Whether you're booking a quick getaway or planning a longer stay, Sana Hotels might just be the right choice for you.